Hey guys! Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to do a cute little updo for wedding season. So first we're going to start by putting your hair back. I like to put it in a low ponytail. I like to make this a little more secure than your average ponytail just so it goes nowhere. Then I'm going to create a hole right above the ponytail and I'm going to take the ponytail and flip it through that hole. Alright, so now we're going to take another ponytail holder and we're going to make a little bun. So I'm going to leave the ends out and we're actually going to split the ends in half and wrap them around the ponytail and then secure it with a clear elastic. Once you've secured your clear elastic, you're going to twist the little ponytail loop around the bun. Then you're going to tuck the ends into the original ponytail that we created. This will help hide them and make them less noticeable, but also add a little bit of texture to your style. Then I like to piece everything out to make it look a little more lived in and boho. This look works perfect even with extensions. Looking for fuller hair? Click the link below to see what MBR can do for you.